Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can recover your deleted files even if they are videos, documents or some other kind of files you deleted in your past. First of all, I have put a link of the software in the video description. The software is known as disk drill. Extract that software and you can get the folder like this. Now open the folder. Install the file by clicking on the exe file. Click next, install. This is the main window of the software. You want to recover your C drive, D drive, E drive. You can recover it completely. Oh, you can quick scan, deep scan. Deep scan needs more time, but it recovers the deep things which you have deleted in the past. This software is very interactive and very user friendly. You can use this for your recovery files. For more interactive videos, keep in touch with Study Spot. Thank